Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to create a workspace in Trello really quickly. So what you have to do first is simply go ahead and open Trello and make sure you're logged in. So normally you're going to find the create workspace button on the left sidebar. But if you recently deleted a workspace or your account is in a fresh state, Trello sometimes hides the button completely, which is super annoying. I know. But here's the good news, you can still create one and I'm going to show you exactly where it lives now. So the first step is simply to check the usual spot. So on the left side of Trello, you should be able to see home, boards, and then your workspaces. So if you see create workspace, then it's perfect. Simply click it. But if it's not there, don't worry, keep watching and I'm going to show you where to find it. So step 2 is check the plus button. So up at the top right, simply click the create plus button. Sometimes Trello puts the create workspace option right here. So if you see it, click it. And if not, no worries, let's move on to the next fix. So step 3, Trello might have auto-created a workspace for you. This happens a lot. So after deleting your main workspace, Trello sometimes silently creates a personal workspace for you. So to check this, simply go to trello.com/workspaces. And if you see one there, that's why the button disappeared. You can rename it, add boards, or even create a new one from inside. But if nothing shows up, then you should try using the final method. So this is the one that finally made the button show up for me. So what I did is simply clicked on the profile icon in the top right and the drop down menu then appeared. So from there, simply scroll down and you should be able to see an option like create workspace or new workspace. So once you see that, simply tap that and boom, the workspace creation screen will then appear instantly. From here, you can then give your workspace a name, choose a description, set the workspace type like personal, business, etc. and invite your team members if you want. And once you're done, you can then click create and that's it. So your new workspace will then be up. So if Trello glitches and the button still doesn't show up, you can try refreshing, log out and log back in, or you can also open Trello in incognito mode. So I really hope one of these will work for you, and if they do, don't forget to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.